FIR against former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy after a 65-year-old party worker was crushed to death under the wheels of the vehicle in which Jagan Reddy was travelling. Jagan Reddy had moved the Andhra High Court for quashing of the FIR. The court did not pass any orders and has posted the matter to coming Tuesday.
That's right, Veera. Essentially, that gives Jagan Mohan Reddy relief till next Tuesday from any further action by the police. The YSRCP wary of a possible arrest, Veera, in that case, that led to a sharp political exchange. That horrifying video of a 65-year-old man being crushed to death by the vehicle in which Jagan Mohan Reddy was waving to the crowds had gone viral. Uma Sudhir, our colleague, has all the details.
So the former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister YS Jagan Mohan Reddy has got interim protection from arrest by the Andhra Pradesh police. He had filed a petition in the High Court asking for quashing of an FIR that had been filed against him, in which he had been named as A2 and sections of culpable homicide not amounting to murder and also abetment had been slapped against him. This was of course regarding the death of a person, Chili Singaya, on June 18 when Jagan Mohan Reddy had gone on a tour of Palnadu and was returning, and Chili Singaya came under the wheels of a car, and that car was alleged to be by the police a vehicle in which Jagan Mohan Reddy was travelling. Lawyers of Jagan Mohan Reddy have argued in court saying that any arrest or any kind of a coercive action would cause irreparable harm to him and it cannot be compensated in any manner. His reputation would also be affected by it, and therefore they wanted immediately an order that gives him some relief, and the single judge bench in fact gave an order saying that no coercive step till the plea is taken up for hearing on July 1. The second part of it is that Jagan Mohan Reddy is given 4 points. He is saying that there is political vendetta and malice in his name being appearing as A2 in this particular case. 2, he says the version of the SP had changed initially and then it was changed with the idea of political vendetta, and therefore he says it is not an objective kind of basis on which the FIR was lodged. 3, he says he is a Z plus category person and therefore the responsibility of giving the security, ensuring that there is a rope party would have been on the administration and that they had neglected it, and therefore he believes that this plea should be heard and the FIR against him should be quashed.